In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register your core delivery profile details and complete the background check authorization process on the Uber driver website. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the official Uber driver sign-up page at driver.uber.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account or begin the registration process if you have not completed it yet. From there, enter your basic delivery profile information carefully. This usually includes the standard account and profile details needed to move forward in the application process. Take your time here and make sure everything matches your official records, because even small mistakes can slow down verification later. After your profile details are in place, look for the section related to consent agreements and documentation screening. Open that area to continue. This part is important because it contains the forms and permissions required to process your screening. Read through the information on the page carefully before proceeding so you understand what you are authorizing and how your information will be used during the review process. Next, enter your social security number or social insurance number depending on your region, along with your home address history where requested. Be especially careful when filling out this section. Your address history should be accurate and complete, using the correct dates and locations if the form asks for them. Since this information is used for identity and background verification, it is a good idea to double-check every field before moving on. Also, make sure you are completing this step on a secure and private internet connection, since you are entering sensitive personal information. Once everything has been entered correctly, click the button to authorize the background check. This action submits your information to the screening provider used for verification, such as Checker or Triton, depending on your location and account type. After you authorize the request, the system will begin processing your background check details. From there, all that is left is to monitor the tracking status dashboard for updates. Check the verification area regularly and look for the background check status to move through its review stages until it shows as complete. In some cases, this can happen quickly, while in others, it may take a little more time.